Imagine this: you have a desire. Maybe it's something big, a new job, the perfect relationship, a breakthrough with your finances. But the question is, how long will it take? 24 hours, a week, a month? What if I told you that you could manifest anything you desire in just 24 hours? Yes, it's possible, and today I'm going to show you how to make it happen. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the exact steps to manifest your desires quickly, but I'll also share a powerful secret that will amplify the results you're looking for. Stick with me, because what you're about to hear will change everything. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to manifest everything they want effortlessly while others struggle for years? It's not magic, it's not luck, it's a proven process, a mindset, and a very specific technique. And here's the best part: this process works fast. You can have your desires materializing in the real world today, right now, 24 hours. But the key is understanding how to align yourself with the universe and using this secret that I'm about to share. Now, I know this may sound too good to be true, but trust me when I say this, it works. I'm not going to tell you about some long, drawn-out manifestation process that takes weeks or months. No, this is all about what you can do right now, today, to shift your energy and unlock the power of manifestation immediately. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to manifest anything in 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. Whether you want more money, love, success, or simply peace of mind, you can make it happen today. Here's the thing: most people fail at manifesting quickly because they don't understand one simple truth: they don't believe it's possible. They've been conditioned by society to think that manifesting takes time, and if they don't see immediate results, they give up. But here's the catch: the more doubt you have, the more resistance you create. What I'm going to share today is all about how to stop that resistance, how to break through it so you can access the universal flow and receive what's rightfully yours. I know you're curious. How can this really work? What's the secret? You're probably thinking that it sounds too simple or too good to be true. So let me tell you this is exactly what makes it work. I'm about to reveal how you can break the limits of time and space and unlock a manifestation that could show up in just 24 hours. You might be wondering how that's possible. What makes this method so effective? Well, stick around and I'll tell you exactly how it works, step by step. Before I give you the exact steps, let me ask you this. Do you want to get deeper into manifesting and start seeing results fast? If you do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone you know who could use a little magic in their life. The more we connect and grow together, the more we unlock the power of manifestation. So, let's dive in. Here's the method. The first thing you need to do is believe that it's already yours. Sounds simple, it is. But it's also incredibly powerful. What you need to do right now is align your mind, body, and soul with your desire. This isn't just about hoping or wishing for something to happen. This is about fully embodying the reality of what you want. It's about believing without a shadow of doubt that what you desire is already on its way to you, because in the quantum field, your thoughts and beliefs are what shape your reality. Once you truly believe it's already yours, you activate the law of attraction in ways that will bring your desires to you in ways you may not even expect. So let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Get clear on your desire. The first thing you need to do is get completely clear about what you want. The universe responds to clarity. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What is it that you desire deep down inside? Whether it's a specific amount of money, a relationship, a new job, or anything else, the universe needs to know exactly what you want. The more specific you are, the more energy you will put behind it. Being clear with your intention sends a signal to the universe that you know exactly what you're asking for. Take out a piece of paper and write it down. Get as specific as possible. Describe your desire in vivid detail, as if it is already happening. Don't write it in the future tense, always write it in the present tense, as if it is happening right now. Your words have power, so make them count. For example, don't just write "I want a new job." Instead, write, "I am so happy and grateful now that I have the perfect job in the perfect location." Or if it's money, write, "I am so grateful for the financial freedom I now have." The more detailed your desire is, the more power it has to come into your reality. Clarity helps your brain focus on a specific goal, which increases your likelihood of recognizing opportunities that align with your desires. Studies show that when you have a clear vision, your brain activates its reticular activating system, which filters information and directs you to what you most need to succeed. Step 2. Visualize your desire. Once you've written it down, close your eyes and imagine yourself living that desire. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for manifestation. But don't just think about it, feel it. Feel the emotions as if your desire has already manifested. See yourself in that job, in that relationship, with that money. Imagine how you look, how you feel, and how your life is now transformed by this new reality. The key to successful visualization is not just to picture the end result, but to feel the joy, the excitement, the relief, the peace, and whatever other emotions are connected to your desire. The more vividly you can imagine this, the more powerful the manifestation process becomes. Feel the texture of the new clothes you're buying with your newfound wealth. Hear the laughter of your loved ones if your desire is a better relationship, or feel the pride of your achievements if it's a job promotion. The goal is to immerse yourself completely in the experience as if it is happening right now, not someday in the future. Visualization activates the same neural pathways in your brain as if you were actually experiencing the event, strengthening your belief and emotional connection to your goal. This process aligns with the principles of neuroplasticity, where repeated mental imagery rewires your brain to think and act in alignment with your desires. Step 3. Use affirmations. While you're in this visualized state, start saying affirmations to yourself. Affirmations are a powerful tool to impress your desires into your subconscious mind. These positive statements reprogram your mind to believe that what you want is already yours. Repeat your affirmation out loud or silently, but with full emotion and conviction. Feel the words as if they are already true. For instance, you can say, "I am living my dream life," or "I am a magnet for abundance." Your words carry energy, and the more emotionally charged they are, the more they resonate with the universe. Affirmations help you to shift your internal state, and they act as a constant reminder that what you desire is already on its way. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind by reinforcing positive beliefs and dissolving limiting thoughts, effectively rewiring neural pathways. Research in cognitive psychology shows that repeating positive affirmations can significantly improve self-esteem, reduce stress, and increase overall happiness. Step 4. Let go of the how. Here's the hardest part, letting go of how it will happen. Many people get stuck on the how. They think they need to figure out the logistics of how things will manifest. They worry about how their desire will show up, or when it will show up. This is where most people get trapped. The key to manifesting quickly is trusting the process and letting go of any control. Know that the universe has your back, and that it will unfold in the perfect way, at the perfect time. You don't need to know all the details of the journey, just the end result. Don't try to micromanage the process or get caught up in worrying about the how. Trust that the universe knows exactly how to deliver what you've asked for. Letting go of the how allows your manifestation to flow into your life with ease. The universe is always working in your favor, but it needs your trust and belief to work its magic. When you release the need to control the outcome, your body enters a state of relaxation, allowing the parasympathetic nervous system to take over, which aids in stress reduction and clarity. Neuroscience indicates that detaching from the process allows you to tap into a state of creative flow where solutions naturally come to you without force. Step 5. Feel gratitude. As soon as you finish your visualization and affirmation, feel gratitude as if it's already yours. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions that you can feel, and it aligns you with the energy of abundance. The more thankful you feel for what you're manifesting, the quicker it will come to you. You can express your gratitude in any way you feel called, through words, thoughts, or actions. You might say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, as you feel the joy of having what you desire. Gratitude shifts your energy from a place of lack to one of abundance, and that's exactly what you want. When you feel grateful for the manifestation, even before it has physically shown up, You signal to the universe that you believe in your ability to receive. Gratitude keeps you in a high vibrational state, which is crucial for aligning with the energy of what you want. So take a moment right after you complete your practice to bask in the feeling of being grateful. Gratitude activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and serotonin, which boosts feelings of happiness and contentment. Studies show that practicing gratitude improves emotional well-being and can have a profound impact on the brain's capacity to focus on the positive aspects of life. Step 6. Sleep on it. Finally, before going to sleep, let the feelings of gratitude and belief settle into your subconscious. This is a crucial step. The state right before sleep is when your mind is most impressionable and open to suggestions. When you drift off to sleep with your desire in your heart and mind, your subconscious mind continues to work on it throughout the night. Allow your subconscious to absorb your desires and know that they are already real. When you wake up, the first thoughts in your mind should be of the manifestation, as if it's already done. Carry the feelings of gratitude and belief with you as you go about your day. The more you repeat this practice, the more ingrained your desires become in your subconscious mind, and the faster they manifest into your physical reality. Sleep plays a critical role in memory consolidation and problem solving by allowing the brain to process new information. Scientific studies reveal that the subconscious mind continues to work on unresolved issues while you sleep, solidifying your desires and aligning you with your manifestations even as you rest. Remember, the law of attraction works based on your energy and beliefs. The more aligned you are with your desires, the quicker they will come into your life. If you follow these steps consistently with belief and trust, you'll begin to see the universe working in your favor, delivering exactly what you've asked for. As you move forward with your manifestation practice, trust that the universe is always guiding you, bringing you closer to your desires with every step you take. The key is to stay focused, stay grateful, and always believe that what you want is already yours. You are worthy of everything you desire, and it's only a matter of time before your dreams become your reality. Now, this may sound simple, but the real key to success is belief. It's not enough to just go through the motions. You have to truly believe that it is already done. That belief is what brings it into your reality. And by following these steps, you're creating a strong foundation for your desires to manifest quickly. If you're excited to try this method tonight, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who could use this powerful technique. And if you try it tonight, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what happens. Did you see any signs? Did your manifestation show up? Let's inspire each other. Remember, the universe is always listening. All you have to do is believe, and the impossible will unfold before you. Keep your faith high, trust the process, and manifest the life you desire.